Good evening, everyone. Today I want to present my thesis. The title is Indicate the Function and Effect of Autodegating Moldor Modification on the Injection Molding Process on Productivity. My name is Monica Purwata from Polytechnic Negeri Batam. And I want to say thank you to my first professor, Isan Saputra, and my second professor, Pak Bowo Rosbandrio, for help me make this thesis. Okay, introduction, background. The injection molding process is the process of forming a workpiece from granular thermoplastic material placed into a hopper or toron. The material then enters the injection barrel cylinder, which is pushed by the screw mechanism through the machine nozzle and screw bushing through a channel called the runner system. This process ends at the gate until the process of filling the material in the cavity occurs in a closed mold condition. At the molder, after exciting the injection molding machine, the plastic part is still fused with the runner, so it needs to be reworked by the operator to separate it. With this, it is necessary to modify the molder by implementing an auto-degating system to separate plastic part and runner automatically. And this is the picture, illustrative image of injection molding process. And this is the picture, part plastic door. Research objective to determine the function of the modified application of auto-targeting on the model and its effect on production cycle time. It is expected that this research will have an impact on a more productive and efficient production process. This is the problem limitation. Problem limitation in this study are modification made to the door mold. The gate type on the mold is air gate. Method auto getting plastic mold design standard. Modify mold part is first hook runner plus undercut with 6-degree angle. Runner pin size change from 155.5 mm to 115.5 mm, adding a pocket on the ejector plate with a size of 75 millimeter, 18 millimeter, and 6 millimeter. Adding a pocket in the retainer plate with a size of uh, length 75 millimeter, weight 18 millimeter, and thick 5 millimeter. Additional plate with size 74 millimeter, 17 millimeter, and 8 millimeter. Add a 6 millimeter diameter stopper pair with a length of 22 millimeter. Auto regulating system with a delay on the ejector plate of 3 millimeter. Mold testing using a 12-ton high-temp injection molding machine. Plastic material using PP homopolymer type. Productivity is measured based on the time to achieve production target. Okay, this is the theoretical basis. The kit has the main purpose of transferring the plastic liquid into the mold chamber. In general, there are two types of gate on the mold. First, manually trimmed gate, where the gate on the product is cut using tools such as a knife or scissor. Automatically trim gate. The gate on the product will be cut automatically when the product is pushed by the actual pin and lifter. This flow chart. Start identification the problem, study literature, process making design, um, auto degating on mold, process modification mold, testing. If testing the result is okay, so finish. And if not testing, and if the testing the result is not okay, so we go back to make design auto degating on mold. Okay, this is the methodology. Methodology. Problem identification. Identification is done by observation and interview. Observation is done to see the production process directly. In this process, the operator still separate the runner and part manually by cutting with a cutter, which affect the cycle time. Interviews were conducted with related parties, namely the production leader regarding daily monitoring of the molder. It can be seen that there was an overcut on the part recorded in the daily monitoring. In addition, data collection was also carried out with the production clerk to see daily output monitoring for 1 month from the molder. The data can be present in the form of table and figures to improve the production process. Modification to the molder are required. Study literature. The design method refers to the plastic mold design standard, namely the concept of auto-degating by creating or delay on the runner print. The concept that will be applied to the type of molder is to provide a gap in the ejector plate against the pin runner and header plate and pin stopper to create a delay. This is the creation of modification design. Okay, this is arrow indicate at undercut on core insert in pocket runner. And this is arrow indicates runner pin sorted. And the arrow indicates adding pocket to ejector plate and adding plate. And this indicate additional pin stopper. Okay, more modification process. The modification process for each part of the mold is first core insert. Core insert we make on the pocket runner and undercut with angle 6 is added. This process use CNC milling machine. Okay. The arrow indicate pocket runner that will have an undercut added. Next, pin runner. The length of the pin runner we reduce from 155.5 millimeter to 115.5 millimeter. This process use a grinding machine. The plate is made pocket size, length 75 millimeter and wide 18 millimeter and deep or height 6 millimeter. This process use CNC milling machine can be seen in the picture. The arrow indicate the area to be pocket. Okay, ejector inner pipe pun same. We make a pocket and in this area lah. Additional plate, making plate 74 millimeter, 70 millimeter wide and 8 millimeter height or deep. This process use workout machine. Stopper pin, we choose using grinding machine. This 2D drawing from additional plate with dimension measure, and this is picture pin stopper. Testing is done by testing the mold on the injection molding machine. The machine will issue several product samples to be checked. Data in the form of product photos will be present in a table along with daily output result to see change in cycle time in achieving production targets. This is a table discussion and report. The mold mechanism is applying to auto-gating system, which make the part and runner separate automatically, will be simulated by design. Next, the mold will be machined and tested on the injection molding machine. Tests of functional performance are said to be successful if the plastic part that are removed from the injection molding machine are automatically separated when the mold is opened. While the effect on the production process is expected that the cycle time can be reduced due to normal rework process by the operator. The report is a compression of daily output data before modification and after modification to see change in cycle time in achieving the output target. This is okay. This collect data, collect data from 17 Januari 2003 until 24 January 2023. This is question. We are added undercard in that pocket and pin runner to be sorted and added plate and added pin stopper. Okay, this is simulate how to runner card AutoGate. We can see this picture when part moving until measure 3 mm ejection, runner not moving because holding by undercut, and then after ejector pin moving 3 mm over part and runner moving together. Okay, this is manufacturing result of the door mold design after modification. Okay, runner sensi process and result after sensi. This is result ejector plate after sensi milling. This is added plate from workout machine. This is pin stopper making by grinding machine. Okay, this is the part door. This is before modification. Runner and the part join ya. And then after modification, the runner and the part uh, not assembly. Okay. Before modification, the operator must rework After modification, operator just packaging. Disease effect after modification. Disease before modification and disease after modification. From the data above, we can see the change to achieve production order of 2,000, 20,000 pieces before modification. It takes 6 days with a total of 70 work shifts, while after modification it becomes 5 days with a total of 13 work shifts. Conclusion: based on the functional perform of the mold door test, the 3 delay that occur in the mold door can disconnect the part and runner. The result of the test also have an impact protection productivity, namely the cycle time for the exit of plastic parts from the injection molding machine is reduced from 34 seconds to 30 seconds. The operator work process has also changed, namely the rework process carried out by the operator does not exist. The part that come out of the injection molding machine can be directly packed into the box. In achieving the output target, it becomes shorter from 6 days with a total of 70 work shifts to 5 days with a total of 13 work shifts. The production process become more efficient and productive. Thank you. Thank you, everyone.